Hello everyone, my name is Kamau and I'm a student in Jodan College taking Python programming as a short course. I'd like to present my project, which is an ATM program which can be used in many areas such as banks. As you can see from the program, we started with the balance variable, which is the initial amount in the account before you open the account. And from there, we have the deposit function, where you use the global keyword to bring back the balance, which is the initial amount in the account, to be used in the function. And then you prompt the user to enter the amount, which is in float, as a keyword to allow decimal points for the user to enter the amount with which he or she would like to deposit. And with the program, as you can see, if the amount is greater than 0, which is the initial as the account is starting, it will allow the person or the user to add to the amount which he or she has inputted into the program, and it will be added into the account. And from there, the amount will be formatted, and the user will be given the successful message with which the amount will be shown in 2 decimal places as per this function there. And then the next function we have is the withdrawal function, which allows the user to withdraw money from the account. Again, we use the global keyword to bring back the balance, which is the starting or the initial one, or even after the person has deposited the amount into the account. The function will prompt the user to input the amount with which he or she would like to withdraw from the account. And as you can see, if the amount with which the person wants to withdraw is less than 0, it will be an erroneous input, and therefore the program will print invalid amount. If the amount with which the person has inputted into the program is greater than the balance which has been deposited into the account, the person will be informed that he or she has insufficient funds in the account. But if the amount with which the person has inputted into the program is more or is less than the balance which is in the account, the person will remove the money which is in the account, and then the balance will be subtracted to the amount with which the person has inputted into the program, and hence it will show the message that the amount has been withdrawn successfully. And say the person wants to just confirm if he or she has the correct balance in the account, you can check the balance from the account, and it will give you the successful message in 2 decimal places, as it is a currency. And from there, you can have the main menu, with which you can select whichever action you want to take place, whether it is to withdraw, to check the balance, to deposit, or even to exit from the program. So you'll just have to input your choice into the program, whether it's choice 1, it will call the deposit function. If it is choice 2, it will call the withdraw function, and if it is option 3, it will check the balance. If you want to exit from the program, you'll just add this break as a keyword, which will break the function and end the process. And by that, you can just call the main function so as to call the whole program, and therefore you can be able to choose whichever function you wish to call. And that is my presentation on this function. Any question from the audience? Before that, I'd like to run the program. Okay, so as the initial, as you had seen, you have 0 amount in the account. So say somebody wants to deposit into the account an amount, say 50,000 Kenyan shillings. As you can see, the message has been brought and that you have deposited successfully your 50,000 Kenyan shillings. And say you want to withdraw maybe an amount you wish to use, possibly 10,000 Kenyan shillings. You'll be notified that you have successfully withdrawn the amount. And say you just want to confirm that no funds have been removed from your account without your knowledge, you can check the balance from option 3, and as you can see, the balance is 40,000 as it is supposed to be. And say maybe you want to exit from the program, just input option 4 and you'll be successfully out of the program. Python as a coding language is very applicable because it is, for one, it is a wide language, hence can be integrated into many areas such as gaming. It can be integrated into systems for companies and so on. Hence, I would like to urge you and to advise you that it will be very best for you to take Python as a course, and there's no better place to take it than Jodan College of Technology located in Thika town. Thank you.